Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Bootstrap Studio. If you heard this name before, then good, and if you're not, then I'm telling this in this video. So what is Bootstrap Studio? So let's start. Bootstrap Studio is a powerful desktop app used for building the responsive websites, and it has huge number of components which are used in the websites. So here's the website where you can know about the Bootstrap Studio and purchase it. So this is a preview of Bootstrap Studio, and here you can run the browser demo. So firstly we discuss about its component. So the latest version of Bootstrap Studio is 4.4.9, and you can check out this video also. Here are the major parts are given. Here the component part. Here the main component or overview of the website, where you arrange all the div, container sections, and many more things. And here is the preview. There is a real-time preview in this app, and here is the editing side where you can edit the CSS editing, and here is the design. You can choose many pages, images, and fonts, and Java also include the JavaScript links. So this is the preview, and this platform also provides some templates for you. You can edit it very easily and make a website in a very less time. And some components are also discussed. There is UI component, and there is the features, highlights, lightbox gallery, and contact forms, team component, and the footer. Or 2 to 3 types of forms are also given, or you can also edit it, and the map section. So these are the component, and many more components are available online also. Or you can see the real-time preview on the web also. Or here is the editing side. So I'm going to take you to the software, and here you can purchase it. It also provides free web hosting and also the forms and 1 year of free upgrades in the package of $99. So this is the end of the website. So we are going to discuss about the Bootstrap Studio software. So I have to just open it. So I have just opened, and getting start guide. I click it and it's opening. So here is opened. So as you have seen in the demo, this is the new file open section, open file, saving option, exporting options, settings, and here are the component section. There are the overview sections. Here is the page, and there is the CSS editings and the design section. So, and one component is also there. There is the section that how you can also edit the CSS and HTML, and you can create the attributes here, means ID in classes. I have to minimize it, so I'm minimizing it. So these are the components are included, and I will tell you in the next videos how to including all the sections and the headings and paragraphs and many more components in the website, and you can make a powerful and attractive website. So I'm just taking example. I have to edit the Bootstrap Studio. So I have just click it, and you are saying that it is selected here also. So I have to just see here this look and feel option. There is given width, height, margin, padding, background color. There is a transparent. You can change it this to this. And then you can also put the images. There is a font options also given. Here is a filter. You can change it. And in the options, CSS options, there is text alignment, center. You can also align it left to right or center. There is a color. You can change by clicking it. And there's transformation and some CSS CSS options are also given, like Turncat, no wrap, mono space, text break, and decoration, and responsive delay and flex possibility. I will tell you more about this. And animation portion is very best part in this. You can add the loading effect without any JavaScript, so it's very good part in this. And I'm showing you the CSS, how to create the CSS. So I have to just click it, Bootstrap Studio, select it and create. So it will create the section for this style. And I will change something. So I will change the font family, and I am taking it fantasy. So you see that font style font family is changed. So we took example also. We font weight and taking 200. So it is changed throughout the website. And for preview option, you can go here and just preview is disabled, enable it, and there's two browsers. You can choose any options and open it. It's loading and there is a preview. You can see it. So and it change instantaneously as you change in the studio. So I think you have understood the well introduction of the Bootstrap Studio, and in the next video I will tell more about this. So let's end this tutorial and meet with another tutorial. Thank you.